Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this episode 486. What do we call this today? Bitcoin ready to move. Yes, Bitcoin ready to move. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. Also, we're going to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, hit that bell so you're notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us, once the stream is done, join us on Discord. Links in the description. Someone said bad here. I'll go through the chat in a second again. It's not in the description, sorry. It's pinned at the top. Link to Discord. Link to our Patreon if you want to join us there. And link to Teespring in case you want to buy some merch. Let's roll through and start the show, man. If you hear that ding, it just means that Bitcoin's crossing the $51,000 mark, right? Every time it crosses up or down, we get that. Jake's here. Yes, Jake, I agree. Screw PayPal. Todd, first to the party. Yo. Yeah. Guy Freak. Kai. He actually said Kai first, so we'll do Kai and then Bat, I guess. Kai and Bat update. Yep. What did PayPal do? Some bad stuff that has me pissed off. Yo. Search Capital. Pedro Carancho. Elon Musk of lurking. The Algo request for midday. Yo, that's true. Algo then. Kai. Travis Hawk. Hey, what's up? Can you check out the sell? Dude. Why is my alert beeping? Yeah, that's my alert beeping. It's just crossing Bitcoin. 51,000, right? Ada? Sure. Hi from Chile. Yo, hi to Chile, dude. Hey, for being here. Let's update the list since we're here already. And getting ready to rock. The false flags is here. Raw. What's up, man? So we'll do Algo. Then we'll go TRX, Hex, and then Kai. And Bat. Oh, sorry, no, I said I was gonna do it after Ethereum, so. And then Ada. So we'll do Ethereum and then Algo that I owe you from the midday, man. Much appreciated. Thank you for reminding me of that. Here we go. It's gonna be okay, I guess. PayPal broken? No, PayPal up to shenanigans. Something happened. Y'all can use CoinTree or OneUpCoin. I mean, you can try PayPal. There's something going on with them. It's really weird. Someone donated and they had a problem with their bank because their card also got used for something else. So all the transactions of those days got flagged, and that was from back on the 14th. And I told, it was already settled with PayPal, and they came through today. And basically everything that was already settled and they already sent to my account, they are basically just put on hold, and now they're requesting me to pay it back to them, which is fine. I did go ahead and pay back to them, but their website is really weird. So I tried to say, okay, so I said, okay, settle this amount. That's fine. You can send it back. And then what they did is they said, okay, that didn't go through. No, it wasn't Gavin. It's like that didn't go through, and they did take the money out from my account. So they deducted the money from my banking account because I got a notification that money went out to PayPal, but PayPal's not recognizing that money in their system. So I'm gonna have to talk to them. It's just gonna be a fucking mess, man. Sorry about cursing. It's gonna be a freaking mess. It's a pain in the butt. It's something I got to deal with. We'll see. Anyways, that is the deal with PayPal and what's going on. There's a lot more stuff than that, but yeah, it's just freaking weird. Anyways, let's go to the main screen. It's all good, guys. Thanks for the support. You can tip through PayPal. We'll see what happens. I wonder, because they still show that I have a amount here that is due to PayPal, right? And yeah. I'll try to see if I can show this without it showing a lot of the personal information, but... So they basically sent me this. It says, add money to resolve your negative amount. So I already added money, or I tried adding money. They said, no, it didn't go through, but they still took the money from my account, from my bank account. So they haven't recognized it, and I think that any donations that go through, you basically use it to apply to that anyways. So I'm not sure, man. Brent's here. He's going to be working on the background. Awesome, dude. Thank you for being here. Much appreciated, Brent. Thanks for the support. Let's keep rolling. Let's keep rolling and moving. And dancing. Yeah, I'm not sure, man. It's just freaking weird. So let's get started, right? Bitcoin's still crossing 51K. It's gonna keep on shifting every time we cross 51K. We've been flirting with that area since yesterday, and that is fine. Let's go to total market cap. What do we have on total market cap on the daily, man? Hidden bullish, pumping up, getting above that 236. That is fine. Yesterday we were slightly above it, pull back down, managed to close above that 20, finding support, moving above that 236. Still today, gonna try to pump a little bit more, maybe sitting at $1.53 trillion. Again, not doing that bad, right? There goes Bitcoin again. It just keeps on pushing back and forth, back and forth. Bitcoin, $950 billion market cap. Not too bad. Bitcoin dominance 61.88%. Again, it's dropping a little bit. It's just been flirting with that 20, but not doing a lot. And it's dropping because alts are actually pumping more than Bitcoin. Bitcoin Bitcoin is coming in with 1.21% of market cap, and then alts have 1.84%. I mean, alts are moving a little bit more than Bitcoin, which is pretty cool, right? Check PayPal terms and services, dude. It's funny, dude. Like I told you, the person flagged all the things with their bank, which is fine, because their card got hacked basically. And apparently my stuff was cleared because I just said, yeah, the goods were delivered during a live stream, and then after like a couple days, PayPal came back and said, oh, by the way, no, what you settled. We're gonna open the case again. 15 days later, it was already settled. Like they had nothing else to do there. And then they come with this. Look, I'll show you the history. It's here. It says blah blah blah. Email sent. Blah blah blah. Resolved. Right on the 18th, they said resolved. And then until today, they come back and they do email sent to seller. Open under review. Email sent to the seller. Under review. But they don't give me a chance to appeal. They just want their money back. It's like Jesus, man, for reals. It's like, okay, that's fine. So I gotta pay it. I'm trying to pay it. They say, it doesn't work. So I tried with a credit card. They said, no, we cannot take money out of the credit card. Okay, so I'll go with a debit card. And then they said, no, it didn't work. So they gave me a rejection message. And then the money still went out of my credit card because I got a charge from PayPal on my credit card for the amount that the payment was for. So again, just PayPal, something's up with them. I'm not sure. It's really ticking me off. Someone said Hydro. I'll go after Algorand because I owe Algorand from the morning. And I'm waiting for the message to play so I can celebrate it. There we go.
If you want to see something insane, pull up Hydro one-day chart. Mind blown.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, Mamba. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
It's really cool, man. Yeah, let's keep rolling, man. Crypto, we were testing 4-hour neckline in the reverse head and shoulders, which is now resistant around 51,000. We'll see. PayPal sucks. I know, man. I know. But, if you ask me how things get the most to me, I would say, well, YouTube takes 30% cut of every donation, and then I got to pay tax on top of that. PayPal takes 3% cut plus 30 cents of every donation. I still got to pay tax on that. That means I just get more money, right? Because if YouTube takes 30%, then my government still takes another 35%. I get very little of that money. So if it goes through PayPal, then they just take a 3% plus 30 cents of the amount, which is not a lot. And then, the government will take, 35% on top of that. And then if it just goes through crypto, nothing gets taken from me, which is pretty cool. Anyways. Still floating with that. Price of Bitcoin, $51,000, $16, right? Have this bullishness. I'm sure I'm nothing here with Jake, so. What?
Also high.
Oh, well, also high.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. Thank you very much, Mamba.
Thank you very much.
I really appreciate it. That's awesome. Yeah, I know. I haven't looked at it. Forest Cook. No, it's Bitcoin. Hidden bullish action to the upside, moving up, flirting with that 51,000, still below 51,250. We really want to close above that area to start moving up. Neutral at 58.30. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Yesterday was such a good day, man. I'm just not sure. Like, we shouldn't have pulled back that much. So, what do we have here, man? 1, 2, 3, right? That is fine here. Going down, hitting that support again. This line of support that we drew just went down, hit it on this 4-hour chart, or on this 4-hour candle. We still have 41 minutes to go, which is pretty good. I think we drew this one on the daily today, and then we had the bearish divergence section on the downside. I said, look, we could come here, find support. There, it's spot on hit almost. I don't think we had this at 1 in the morning, so midday was somewhere on here. So we just hit it like dead on. Actually, I think we're not even off by a little bit. Oh, we're off by a very, very small amount. Ooh, very cool. Very cool though, right? We're hitting that area spot on, finding support, trying to bounce. What does this mean, right? What does this mean for us right now? It means that we could be trying to get another move up before we actually break that resistance. We could try to go for another small pump, maybe to $52,000, maybe to $53,000 area. That said, we need to break above 51,250 for that to happen though, right? So again, 51,250, and then we'll keep on moving to targets to the upside. Nothing bullish, right? Besides a strong bearish that is putting pressure on the price to go down. Trying to hold support, which again is pretty good. Let's see if we can continue with the action to the upside with Bitcoin. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart, what is this? We had resistance here. Why do I have this line here? It makes no sense. It's not loading anything else. Did we not have anything else on Bitcoin? Have we not done anything else on Bitcoin? I think this might actually even be from the half-hour, so I'll send it back there. High, higher, positive, more positive, high, higher, high. Nothing here. Low, high, negative, low, negative, low, high. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish. We're just climbing. So, even short term, low, lower, low, lower still. That's fine. I'm not seeing anything off with Bitcoin right now. Below the 20, not liking that part a bit, but tightness of the Bollinger Bands, that means volatility is leaving the market. We could be getting a wild swing coming in. I'm going to go to Bitcoin and other charts in a second, right? There's other stuff I want to look at, but first, let's go to the half hour. On the half hour, we broke this old support that we had, right? So we went on the bearish trend. Now we're breaking this bearish trend, right? Like that, right? Like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hits, and then it became support, and we're bouncing from it. So we broke that resistance very easily with the strong bullish divergence that we had. We're looking at this one today at 1 when I was on the morning stream. Comp, awesome. So on that note, starting to move up slightly, pushing back down. Do we have something bearish? High, low, positive, high, low. Nothing bearish. It could just be that we're moving back a little bit before we actually try to burst through again on Bitcoin, which would be fine. That being said, let's go back to the 1-hour chart. Nothing here. Let's go to the other charts where we have data. Let's go here, Bitcoin on the daily, man. Let's figure it out. Let's figure it out, man. Right. Same bullish divergence. We're finding support. That's fine. Bouncing, rejecting at 236. Nothing really special on this one. Where's the other one we have? Are the data? Other data. Here we have a head and shoulders, I think, that we can play out, right? Make the upside, but not really with a lot of strength. So I don't think this head and shoulders is going to play out. I already declared that this was dead because of that move, so gonna get rid of all these moves that we didn't quite make here on Bitcoin, right? SC? Sure, man. Let's put in the list. Gonna have another Bitcoin chart on the daily. This Bitcoin chart on the daily. Look at that. And we retrace, hit that very close to 618 yesterday. Pushing back down. Trying to get another grab at it. Breaking below that 50%. Still over the 20, like you said. So we're gonna try to move up again, probably on Bitcoin. That's what I'm seeing on Bitcoin. Not super worried about it. On that note, let's move on to Ethereum. Ethereum 1,500. 83. Sure, we did get to a high of 1,658, so not too bad again. Still moving up on the hidden divergence, heading for that resistance at 1,674. Again, price action going up. We might meet that 20 moving average, which is fine. Neutral at 49.18. Let's go to the 4-hour chart, man. Coinbase's buns. What? Okay. I feel like what we do, hit the like button, sub, join us on Discord. Link is in the description, guys. Thank you for being here. Anyways, coming up higher. Some divergence here in Ethereum. Alright. What? We didn't have this yesterday. Interesting. But that line of resistance is still being respected. And we were talking about this potential head and shoulders. And if we broke it, actually to the upside, right? So. We didn't hit it. We just kept on resisting there. And guess what? We have bearish divergence. Strong potential action to the downside there, man. There we go. Look at this. Strong bearish divergence. Potential fraction downside. Starting to move down slightly. But not a lot, right? We're just not even getting to that 20. Again, because Bitcoin is holding, Ethereum's actually holding. And Ethereum is gaining a little bit more. Oh, Bitcoin is starting to go almost neutral. Gaining it's starting to go native in some charts. 0.03% to downside. That's going to bring Ethereum down. Still a 1% gain, 0.90 now. Interesting. So, try to go up, hit that resistance again, and rejecting that zone, right? We drew this one yesterday. We're just hitting it again. And we're failing. We're looking here for the potential shoulder to build. Neckline, we had it. Extended, we didn't break it. So no head and shoulder yet. Neutral, 52.22. Let's go to the 1 hour. Yeah, including PayPal. PayPal also takes forever to respond. I went on Twitter to tell them look what happened. You took money out of my account. It's not being reflected. Oh, we're going to upgrade this to, we're going to send it to your superior for blah, 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 blah. And they just never got back to me. So maybe tomorrow when I send them a message, they'll be like, oh, hi again. It is us, and oh yeah, we're gonna send it again to someone else, and they'll just be stuck there forever, man. I tried calling them, their phone service sucks too, man. I was gonna get low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. Neutral at 49.42. I'm not seeing anything bullish or bearish here on Ethereum on the short term. Going up higher. I mean, we do have an island separation here. Whether or not we want to acknowledge it, it's a whole different thing. But if we want to acknowledge it, we wouldn't have anything, right? If you don't want to acknowledge it, we're going high to low, right? And then you're going low to high. But again, there's a small. It's just 2 bars, man. We might actually do by ignoring it and say, look, we're coming high to low, hell to low. All right, high to low, and then here we go, low to high, right? So look, bearish divergence action downside. It's even as a stall right now. Really not seeing a big drop or seeing any big pump right now. We're just stagnating, right? Bitcoin just dumped. Oh, really? What sucks? I know I read the other comments. That's why I'm not going to Bitcoin. Neutral 49.54. The Algorand. Because I owned this one from the afternoon, so Algo. Algorand at 1.20. And low to high. High to low. And then also high to low here in this last bit. So with that, strong bearish divergence, potential fraction to downside. We have this on the 1 hour chart. We're starting to move down. Target primarily would be here at the 20 moving average at $1.16. And then if we break there, the 618 at $1.15. Right now we're sitting at $1.20. And to the upside, we have that 786. which is over here at $1.40. So awesome. That being said, that's it for algo on the 1 hour. Let's go to the daily, man. What?
You think Hydro can ever go back and do what it did this morning?
Yo. Dude, Mamba.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. Thank you very much. I haven't forgotten about you, man. Actually, I'm gonna do it right after I do algo, right? Just give me a second to finish this one. This one was requested by Jeffrey in the morning, and he tapped. I just didn't have time to do it, so that's why I'm doing it right now. But I'll go back to Hydra in a second, right? Had a low. We don't have anything here. We're still running on this hidden divergence, which is fine. Again, above that 618, below the 20, facing resistance there at the 20. So let's go to the 4 hour chart. James Hurdle, thank you for being here, man. You're awesome. Who else here? Todd, everything is selling off. Yes, Todd. A lot of things seems like they're dropping a little bit right now, because Bitcoin just went to the red, but Alga's still in the positive at 2%, right? Still doing good, man. Hello here, man. Anyways, that is it. Bearish divergence. Strong action to the downside. We might move down, so we'll see, man. All right, we'll see. Everything is dropping. A little bit. Hydro. Maybe I wrote it wrong. I'll check the comment in a second, see how it's spelled, but just trying to see if I'm not missing anything here real quick. Again, moving down would get us to that 618 if we break the 20 moving average at 109. Right now, 1.20 with bearish divergence, right? That's what we have. So, let's check out the comment. Hydro with a Y. That's why. Hydro to the dollar on Bittrex, I guess. What are we gonna go with this one? Can Hydro did what it did today? Oh, not sure what it did today. So you mean this pump of 211% and then a drop of 33% that almost undid the previous pump? Am I looking at the right one, Mamba? Is this the one? Let me know if this is the one on chat, right? Regular chat. You don't need to go to super chat, man. Just let me know if this is one. I'm looking at the right one. I think NFTs are cool, man. I believe they have a use case, so it might become something that grows still a lot more. 2.16. All right, so I'm looking at the right one. So yeah. Let's see if I can find it on Coinbase. Nah, they just have it on Bittrex here for some reason, but you're not looking at it anywhere else. It did point to 0.16 cents. Let's look at the middle point, finger pointing down. Yeah, correct. See, well, you were asking if it could do what it did. It just did. It was down here. It just pumped. It means there's a huge gap here, right? You can play that gap. So, high to low, positive, high to low, low, high, negative, more negative, and then don't have it against RSI. Against MACD, we have some hidden bullish. Again, nothing wrong with this. I'll fib it in a second to see if we have something on the fibs, but not looking too bad, right? Low to high, we did get to that 50% yesterday. We actually retraced all the way up. And it's just having very wild moves, man. Does he have more history? It has more history. Great. I want to look at something better actually here. For this, let's go from high to low, I guess. High here to the low, somewhere around here. And we're actually rejecting very close to the 786 and bouncing between there and the the 50%. That's what the move looks like, right? It's moving just very weird. Look at this, it's so choppy on the moves. It doesn't look good here because it's so choppy, right? So low, high, negative, less negative. Then I think we're going sideways. Again, not the clearest chart when it's choppy, so sideways motion. Then high, higher, positive, positive, high, higher. Nothing here. It's really 1 hour chart, man. Low, high, low, high. High, low. I mean, when it's so choppy, the moves will be... It's just very hard to know whether or not they already played out, right? So, for example, here we have some hidden bullish. Yeah, we did jump. We did move sideways. I mean, we're dropping. We're in this range, so we're moving sideways. And I'm not really seeing a lot. It just makes it really hard to chart when the chart is like this and you don't get real clear definitions on peaks and valleys. So when that happens, something you could use is go to line. Even the line will be giving you a lot of mess, right? So it's not the best chart to look at least not on the 1 hour chart. So that's why I'm just gonna say that with what we did on the daily and on the 4 hours should be okay for this, right? You asked whether or not you could repeat it. It's doing it right now, it's just playing this gap. So if you want to play that gap, that is fine. You can probably just go put some buy orders here and then some sell orders, some seller orders up here, and then that's it. Just run that up and down, right? Again, not advised. Bitcoin dropping fast. Is it dropping fast? Not really dropping fast. It's just took a small drop. It's still at 50,000. It was at 51,000. It's running with that area. It just dropped $1,000 on a $50,000 asset. It dropped $1,000. It's not a lot yet, percentage-wise. To really be worried about it, right? If you're worried about Bitcoin dropping $1,000 because $1,000 sounds like a lot, stop looking at it at money, right? Stop looking at it in dollar value and start looking at Bitcoin on percentages, right? Because like if you say, well, we dropped 1% or 1 point something percent, it's really nothing compared to the fact that we sometimes drop 20-15% on a day on crypto and then bounce, right? So, or then we bounce in a couple days also. So, it's really, I'm not really panicking over a 1% drop. I'm not going to go look at it right now. Yes, it did move down a little bit. It's trying to recover, seeing at 0.33%, 0.37% negative. So this is really not a lot, right?
Look at the pic on Donato Discord from price 2 now.
All right, so let's go look at that, I guess. Oh, cool. Oh, I'm looking at it. Can I show this? I guess because it doesn't say you hold any. It doesn't have any account information. I guess so it's fine. So it's a flat drop, dude. Jesus, why did you get 16 cents? That's a lot, actually. I'm not sure why it traded up there here. Like on the other chart, we don't have it, right? When you said 0.16 cents, I was looking at this like, okay, 0.0016, right? That's like 0.16 cents. So $0.16, yeah, or 16 cents of a dollar. It's pretty good. That's a wild drop. Bitcoin Fight Club, what's up? Thank you for being here, man. Search Capital, weak hands here. Awesome. Let's go to Binance. Again, not that I don't want to check it out, right? It's just, I'll go back to Bitcoin a little bit. Once it drops more or recovers a little bit more, we don't panic here, right? We don't overhype, we don't FOMO. We are cool. We stay cool, honey bunny. We stay cool, right? Chill. Isn't that what Samuel Jackson tells that guy to say in Pulp Fiction? And the guy's like, we cool, honey bunny, right? That's how it is here. We chill. Yeah, I know. The false flags knows what I'm talking about. Anyways. Binance, hidden bullish, pumping that. Still in that channel at 36 to 382. Not really doing a lot, right? Sideways motion. Neutral at 59.44. So again, like this, I'm not going to be wasting a lot of time on the chart saying, like, yeah, it's in the middle, right? If we go up, we go to the 382. If we go down, we go to this other channel here. We have different fibs. Yo, Team Huddle, thanks for being here, man. 382 at $254, and the 50% retrace at $330. We're at 342, so almost in the middle of that channel, still above that 20, which is fine. Again, we had this bullishness. We didn't have anything bearish yesterday. We don't have anything bearish right now, and this is from the 1 hour chart because it makes no sense where it's at. So we'll go back to the chart. Get rid of this here. It might actually even be from the smaller time scales. We'll see. What do we have here? We had this divergence, right? Action to the upside. We pumped a little bit, felt to get higher than the previous high on this hidden bullish, dropped. Hidden bullish still against this lower low, and then pumping on that. That is fine. We didn't have anything bearish. High, low, positive, high, low. Nothing. Now we're bouncing a little bit, right? Low, high, negative, low, high again. We're just starting to tighten here. We're making a triangle, a very, very large, weird looking triangle of consolidation. I mean, I don't like this part here of the triangle, but it's not what I want to make that. This is data that we have, right? Look at this move. Yes, I have different fibs on the 4 hour than I do on the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour, the move to the upside, the 236 at 264, and then to the downside, the 382 at 220, right? That is it for Binance. Again, it's not doing a lot. It's just moving sideways, waiting for it to break. It can break either way because we have the triangle formation. So right now, this for me, it's a weight game, right? It's a waiting game. If we break to the downside, we know it might go down. If we break to the upside, you know, continuation to the upside, right? It's just gonna probably depend on what Bitcoin does. Let's go to Litecoin. Litecoin at $187.34. Pepperidge Farms remembers. Chocobo Coco. Your name's so weird to say to me. Sometimes I'm not sure why. I always struggle with thy name. Stop. Yo, what's up, dude? Thank you for being here. Stop. Litecoin, let's get on the daily. Bearish divergence, actually downside, hidden bullish. All right, going to upside. 5-0. You're right. It was a 5-0 that just passed by. It was 5-0 or something broke by. Where are we at? We held support at 164. Great. We were there yesterday or 2 days ago, 3 days ago. Pumping up, rejecting. 50% at 191.19. Neutral at 51.25. Let's go to the 4 hour. We had the bearish divergence. It just continued tracking for a couple more candles. Still there, hidden bearish, action and downside. Oh, we're starting to move down, rejecting that 32. Rejecting that 50, sorry. You're moving down slightly. Again, where we're going to head with this, right? We're impulse stop, we're consolidating. It's like a nice looking flag. Could bump to the upside again. That's where we expecting to see the move. We'll see. David C says, I need your music tools. Interesting. Low to high, low to high, low to high. Nothing here. Just this last bit, some bearish divergence. Strong on the Litecoin. The Litecoin syrup. Low to high. Right on there. Then from here to here. There we go, right? Low, lower, negative, left, negative, strong. Bullish divergence trying to be built here. It's just very slight. I'm not even sure if this is going to trigger. We did have that hidden bullish, which helped us rally a little bit more, getting above that 50%. Getting about 382. Sorry, about that 20 moving average also. We're reversing a little bit. We don't have anything bearish here, though, right? Again, it's just that failing to perform. It's just that sideways motion that we're just failing to right now with Bitcoin. And the rest, right? It's just slightly sideways. It turned weird. It was doing so good yesterday and today throughout the day, and then all of a sudden it's just like it died out, like run out of steam. Trying to figure out whether or not it wants to pump. Let's go RSR. RSR at oh geez, you got high again, 6.8. Sitting right now at 6.08 cents. With that, we're gonna have it hit divergence, had a low, positive, had a low, nothing there. Neutral at 59.75. Let's go to the 1 hour. We're looking for the bearish divergence. Guess what? We pumped a little bit more, and we still have that bearish divergence. Then it finally triggered. Great action downside, going down, hitting that 20, very close to it. Trying to bounce again. It's not doing a lot. Neutral at 54.85. It did pump a little bit more from where we were at yesterday. But to where we're at today, we're almost at the same level. That's what I'm saying. It's not doing a lot, right? It's just more or less where we're at. It's just, yeah, we were there yesterday. We're here again today. And that's what's new, right? We're at the same price. So we rose a little bit, we dumped a little. You're looking for that bearish divergence, right? When we were looking at this, that's fine. We did go down when we were live. Still have one more candle probably. And then we bounced out of 20. Very nice. Going higher, more positive and higher. Still nothing bearish. Now we're moving down. Maybe from the divergence that we have in the 4 hour. Low, high, negative. Jeez, I'm actually going to have to check here because it's starting to get very cloudy. Low, lower. Low, high. And then here. Low, lower still. For some reason, volume now came down here, which is here. Sure why volume moved down. Awkward. So I'm just gonna call it here. Again, it's just very slight, but some hidden bullish divergence for potential action to the upside here on the 1 hour chart for RSR. That is it, dude. That is it. Let's go again. Really quickly to the Bitcoin at 51,146. Is it still dropping? Is it dropping? It is. Is it dropping below that resistance, that support that we had? It is not. We still have support. We're still being supported by this blue line, which again is pretty good. I believe in whatever move we did now, we did get that hit that we didn't have earlier. So look at that, hitting the line spot on now. When we were green and we started, we had a little bit gap here. Now we hit that spot on. We're rejecting, so we're finding support. It's really trying to hold on to it. It just doesn't have anything bullish to run on. So, geez, let's go to DVT, man. DVT at, let's refresh, 0.97 cents. Let's go here. At 19.5 sats. Interesting. Let's get this to be on the dark mode, and let's get the MACD and the RSI. Dark news coming out for DVT. It's just they've been delaying forever, so I'm not sure if I want to be talking about them. Right? Apparently, from Twitter tomorrow, stuff is happening for DVT. I'm not sure if I want to talk about that too much in detail because every time we talk about it, it just gets delayed. All right, so it's like, oh, DVT is supposed to be doing it this week, and it just delayed for another week, and delayed for another week, and delayed for another week. But it's supposed to be going tomorrow, I guess. Last information. All right. Higher, more positive, and higher still. Nothing bearish. Neutral 55.03. We're just taking a breather, moving sideways a little bit. It's for the 4 hour chart. Bring facts says Friday. Oh, is it Friday now? Didn't D put a message saying tomorrow something? Maybe Friday. Sorry. I eat myself one of these cough drops to calm the throat. Rally. Yo, rally. You have something here? I think they have some in here. I do believe we might have some bearish divergence. It's going slightly higher and then coming high to low and high to high now. So again, against the MACD, we're going high to slightly higher high. Coming high to low. So we have some strong bearish divergence. For potential action to the downside, that is fine. We don't have anything else. It did move down a little bit. It's not moved down a lot. And with the news that it has, I doubt it's going to move down a lot. So this might actually pump on fundamentals. Quick buy DVT, insider trading. Don't do that. Don't do insider trading. High low, high low, high low. Nothing on the daily. Still flagging, still recovering. Remember how we said we're going to recover? We're recovering fine. Nothing off with it. So, what I'm looking at here and what I was telling you guys about. Let me see if I can bring this up. Where was it? I think I might miss this. Maybe it was in announcements. Yeah, announcements. Can I open this? It's not allowing me to open. So, there's a tweet. It says, this seems is worth it, right? Wrap DVT tomorrow? This was from today. So I'm not sure. It says something from Mattermost says liquidity for DVT will probably end up being more attractive and then you can convert WDVT to whatever. Chain before Friday for sure. So before Friday. And then they said yes. So before Friday. So I guess tomorrow or Friday could be, right? That something is launching. So, I mean, it is something that's on Twitter. So it's on the public domain. I wouldn't consider that insider trading. It's information that's out there. So on that note, yeah, so maybe something interesting happening with Devault, right? Blue Horseshoe loves the State of Crypto. Who is Blue Horseshoe? Usually I get it on South Exchange. DVT going from 6 to midnight. I'm not sure, dude. I'm not sure. That's all the information that I have, right? It's that Twitter. I don't have anything else to go on. And I'm not even sure if it's going to happen tomorrow or Friday, right? It might get delayed to the weekend. Who knows? I think it's depending on how quickly the Binance smart chain synchronizes or whatever. And I think that's what they're waiting for. And I have no real data as an exact... right, as an exact amount or time when that's gonna trigger. All we know is it's soon. So that's it, dude. Right? You can buy it on South Exchange. That's where I get it, and that's where I do the analysis for it. Also, it's actually been trading a lot on this exchange. I think it's ranked number 4 right now for volume, so it's not doing that bad. It's up here, right? Right now, 6th up here on top. So, and the beauty about this exchange is that it's not KYC exchange. So, again, I'm waiting for the pump to happen and then see what happens then, right? See where it goes. That said, let's move on to the TRX. Bitcoin pushing that support. Ooh, it's below support. Oh no. It wants to break. It wants to break. Ooh, it got above again. It want to break 49,691. It did wicked. If we get above that, below this area. Goodbye short-term bull trend. Hello short-term bear trend. And we don't know where we're going to anchor because This is the beginning, right? So we might move down, and we'll see where we can anchor for that. So I go like that, right? Somewhere. We don't know yet the anchoring points, but what I do know is that in the next candle, we could try to climb back up above it and see it as a fake breakout, and maybe even readjust the points, right? Readjust our anchoring points. But for now, it is looking like it's breaking down, and we'll see. TRX. Craig, what's up? Thanks for being here, man. Much appreciated. Thanks for stopping by, man, and being awesome. Catch you tomorrow, man. Let's go to the TRX. Low, high, negative, more negative, low, lower. All right, so Tron, like a lot of projects, had this divergence here. Everyone created this hidden divergence, right? Everyone and their mother created this hidden divergence. We're running on that, hitting that 1618, rejecting. Oh no, we're actually going to readjust the fibs. So then we have a high point. So what we're going to do is going to go low to high, from low to high, and get targets. On support at 50, getting above that 382, opening there today, moving up, rejecting the 236. Great. Below 20. Oh no, dude, there's a lot of traffic that goes outside of here. Low, high, high, low, high, low. Got some bearish divergence here. Sometimes I like I live right across the street from a Costco and a supermarket, so there's a lot of traffic, and there's a lot of trucks also that drive by here because they deliver to the supermarket and Costco at night. I mean, literally across the street, and I walk into a supermarket, which is pretty cool, but kind of hate the noise sometimes. At least my room doesn't face the street. It's like all the way on the back of the house, so that kind of helps with the noise. Whatever divergence we're looking for here, we probably said it wasn't going to play because the market was really bullish and it didn't play here. That's fine. Ah, you're correct, Brent. You caught me. Let's keep moving. That's it. Let's go to the 4-hour, man. Narrowing down the place of residence. How many houses have a have a Costco and another motorcycle? And something else around here. Elite Ride Accessories. Thanks for being here, man. Trying to see the 4-hour, dude. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower. Right, that's fine to hear. So low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. That's fine. Then higher lows and positive, right, and high. Again, here we're moving sideways and we're converging, so that's not bearishness, right? It's nothing. I'm even going to go here and see if we have something, but from here to here, nothing. Then from here to here, we're going down a little bit as we're coming back up. That could be some divergence, bearish, strong. That could bring some potential action to the downside, right? Elite Ride Accessories. How elite are the accessories for the ride? I have a question. That's a question, actually. And do you do something related to that, or is it just a name you came up with? And we're neutral at 59.62. That is it for this, man. Again. Tron. A project that I don't like because of the guy who runs it. That's it. Again, I mean, I don't have anything against Tron, the project. It's just that Justin Sun doesn't give me the best vibe out there, man. Been shopping in Dallas, Texas. Awesome, dude. that is cool. Low high, negative, low high. Nothing bullish. We have the strong bearish divergence section downside. We're still between that 236 and that 382. So between 4.6 cents and 5.2 right now, sitting at 4.9. Again, move is going to be there more or less. Yeah. Let's go to Hex. A Hexen Beast. Is my neck okay? Yeah, my neck's okay. Neck be fine. Neck be fine. Low to high. All right. Let me go from here to here. We have some divergence. Hitting bullish, we pump. We hit the 20. We're rejecting that 20. Low high, negative, less negative, low high. That's fine. Nothing here, man. Excellent. We haven't done it, so no opinion yet. I like the project, if that's what you mean, but yeah. I'm moving funny, weird, not sure. Maybe because I'm rocking on the chair like this. So maybe. I usually don't rock on the chair that much. I just brought pump today. Did you see that? Nope. Nothing bearish. Had the same bullish hit that 20 rejecting. That's fine. We're gonna move down on that. Do we have thieves for this in the daily? Yo, we do. They're not showing on the smaller time scales. We need them there, so that is fine. High, low, positive, positive, high, low. Low, high, negative, low, negative. Low, high. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish. Just moving sideways. We're below the 618. We try to get above it, but we're rejected actually. 9.86. Actually, haven't rejected the 50 on that wick. Let's go to the 4 hour. Oh geez, I haven't even been taking crap.
Seamus, where are you? Where's the tips? 7 quatuor decillion 777 3 decillion 777 duo decillion 777 indecillion 777 decillion 777 no million 777 octillion 777 septillion 777 sextillion 777
Jesus, man, what the hell are you doing to this thing?
777 trillion 777
Poor lady, dude.
777,777,777.
Jesus, dude. Thank you very much for that.
Say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you very much.
That's different from last night. I know it's different. It actually said the number. It wasn't just like 7777777. Yeah, it's, I'm not sure if it's the amount of sevens that you put in there or something, but let's see. You said it's about to make veil. I'm not even sure, dude. I haven't even kept track, so again, I gotta check it out real quick. Haven't even seen where Seamus is at. So let's see. I think we still have like 30 to go to Seamus. So, yep. The market gonna drop in more? Maybe. Bitcoin's dropping. Bitcoin's breaking. I don't know. Maybe. Going to minus 20k now. Doubt it. 30, 50, yeah. Like 30 away. Huh. Thomas Anderson. Thank you for being
I
here,
missed
man.
the last few. I'm sure you were worried sick. Have you checked out Compound?
No. Thank you very much, dude.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. That is awesome.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, man. I appreciate it. I don't think we have checked out Compound yet. We'll do it right after Hex. Yo, okay, so that's another 5. So I guess Seamus is 25 away now. Right. 25 from the Seamus. Hex. Let's finish Hex first. High to low. Bearish divergence strong. Action on the downside. Moving down on that. Breaking below that 618 again. Not the best looking right now. How many projects can have this bearish divergence? I wonder. I wonder. This is from the 1 hour, by the way. I know it because it makes no sense where it's floating. Let's fix this one as well, man. Can we go back to Bitcoin once the lens is finished? Yeah, we'll go back to Bitcoin shortly. After comp, probably. The 1 hour hidden bullish, trying to rally on that, coming back down again with Bitcoin and company, so that's fine for Hex. Let's go to comp. Compton. Here we go. Oh, jeez. Okay, we had the bearish divergence move down. Hidden bullish pump up. That's fine. Coming lower. Nothing off here on comp. The 1 hour. Let's go here first. All right. So comp. Let's change the fibs and go from low to high. What? Change coins. Here we go. Go from here to here, I guess. That should be close enough for now. So we're hitting that 100%. We retraced to at 382, bouncing, trying to recover. We actually got very, very close to hitting that high here again. We might have actually hit it if I pinpoint this a little bit more. Here we go. Yep, we hit it, and then we rejected, right? I'm targeting this high here. So, rejection, right? Of the previous high. You have the hidden bullish, that's fine. It pumped nicely. That is it. Let's go here on the 4 hour. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high. Hello. Some bearish divergence here. Jeez. Strong bearish divergence. Action downside. We might start to move down there. We are breaking that support line as well. I'll show you the support line in a second. We don't know what we're talking about here. What support lines is this guy talking about? There's nothing there on the charts, man. Come on. And I'll show you. And you'll be like, oh, that's support, man. Yo, that's support line we're breaking. Low to high, right? That's what we're breaking. If you want to consider that support line, it's so steep that I would rather consider that support line, but we broke divergence here. So we know support line has to be somewhere around here. So the blue, we're breaking that support. And with that, we're getting that action to downside, right? So we're going on the bearish trend short term. For comp. 8 on the list. I'll get updated in a second though. I'm not even sure how I updated the list. I haven't updated the list. I'll update the list right after comp before going to Bitcoin. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Again, we had the bullish divergence. High to low, negative, less negative. All right, some bullish divergence, strong. From here to slightly lower point, that works. This is gonna work wonders. Look at this. We have bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. For that, we need to break this resistance here. That resistance needs to be broken. All right, if we break this, we could go back on the bull trend, maybe retest this high here at 536. That'll be the move, right? If we fell here again, we fell to 20 once more, we could even be looking to drop lower and maybe become a retest at 236 at $430.98. That's it for comp. Let's go to Bitcoin again. Sorry, I said at update list then Bitcoin, right? So What?
Time for Seamus to come out. Limit the number of drinks he gets, though.
All right, right on. Todd, thank you very much for that.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. Thank you very much. I really
Thank you very
appreciate it. Yo, let's bring the Seamus out. Here he be, Seamus. He's sitting there now. The Seamus call has been made. And the Seamus has come out to play. Thank you very much, Todd. I really appreciate that, dude. And Seamus is here. Seamus is here. I'll go, and then we'll do comp. We did comp. Combat data. So comp got shifted from here. I got SC. Next slam. There we go. Should go with the Australian Siri. Yep. So Bitcoin, right? So update the list. Let's save it so it comes up clean and new. Then now let's go over here to the corn of bits. Oh no, it broke 50k. It's trying to recover. So it did hit. Ooh, jeez, it dropped and actually closed below 49,000. 49,691. It broke the support. Oh no. I will face some resistance on the way up. Ooh, resistance we faced. And it looks like we're very close to rejecting the zone. Haven't quite touched it, but this is going to become a resistance now. If we break above it and close there, it will be fine. If not, and like I said, we could be in for a re-anchoring point, and that re-anchoring could look something like this. Right? By using that wick and that wick, and the wick down here. Right? So let's re-anchor here real quick. And that will be the line that we're looking at, right? So it just could be that we're finding the support right now. But again, we'll see once we determine what we have here, right? Because right now, this to the data that we have here, I was not using the wicks, I was using the bodies, we're breaking down. We'll see. So, that said, let's go to Kai. Cobra Kai. Here we go. Kai to the dollar. I guess we're gonna go to KuCoin pair. 2.61 cents. Interesting. You might be over trading, dude. If you're trading 20 to 50 times a week, you might be over trading. Let's go to daily. Alright, so first things I'm noticing is the bearish divergence fraction of downside, right? This already played out. We broke below 20, we failed to get above that area, that's fine. So I just want to highlight this first, the first thing that's there, and look for something bullish, low, high, and negative, more negative, right? There is some hidden bullish divergence. Short term here, there is some strong bullish divergence, right? This is a strong one, and then this is the hidden one. Hit one got us to rise, hit that 20, rejected. That's fine. From here to here, from here to here, and from here to here. All right, and then lower still, so that's fine. From here to here, we could say that we're going as a straight line from here to here for that divergence still, right? And it will be hidden divergence against RSI. But in the MACD, we have strong bullish divergence right now, short term. And that, let's zoom out a little bit more. Let's get a better idea for this picture here. And let's go high to low, and let's get some targets high to low. Right, so from this high to this low, retracing, hitting that 786, moving down. Right now, we're rejecting that 50 almost. I hit a spot on. And we'll see if we try to get above that area again with the bullish divergence, right? That's what we have right now. If not, target at the 382 at around 2.32 cents, right? That's what we're looking at. Let's go to the 4 hour. See here in the 4 hour, man. So we had the strong bearish divergence move down on that. Nothing bullish to here. Pump into 20 rejected. Low high, native less native, low high. Right, some hidden divergence here. Maybe very slight. If it's there, it's a hidden bullish divergence for action to the upside. In the small rally. Right. Cardia chain. Yeah, it's like a Kardashian token. Cardia chain token. Low, high, high to low. There's some bearish divergence here hidden. Oh, sorry, no. A hidden strong bearish divergence for action to the downside. To the dark side. For action to the dark side. And we went to the dark side there. Low, lower, negative. Geez, are we making more negative? Yep, negative, more negative. And then on the other side, we're going low to high. Alright, so against the other side, we're going to have some divergence. Strong bullish right now. From here to here. And from the low here, right, to a slightly higher point here. I'll put it as we'll see here in the zoom the inversion. So here, and then this slightly higher here. Alright, so we're going up a little bit. That's fine. With that, we have that strong bullish divergence, potential fraction to the upside. We're going up. We're rejecting very close to a 50% retrace. We could get another crack at it and maybe try to break that 20. That'll be the move for a high. Let's go to bat. Let's go to the bat. Batarang. What is happening with it, man? Let's get on the daily. We had the bearish divergence. Oh no, moving down. Where are we at? Where we be? We'll be chilling at the Holiday Inn. Rejecting the 786 right now. We had immediate resistance at the 2618 also. We're rejecting both. Interesting. Withdrawal 68.43. Let's go to the 4 hour. Last time I think we looked at this was a support line, right? This line here, it makes no sense. It's support. I know, I just didn't color it blue. But that's what it is. And then we had some divergence here that didn't play, which it's fine. It was a possibility. It did go down, found the support and pumped, so that's fine. Pumping. Impulse up, flagging, looking good. Neutral at 63.33. Let's go to the 1 hour chart, man. On the 1 hour chart, what are we doing? High, higher, positive, more positive, high, higher. Low, high, negative, more negative. Right on. Some hidden bullish divergence for potential stagnation, maybe action to the upside. To the upside. Upside. There you go. And then here we go from here to here. And from here to slightly higher. We don't have it against the RSI. Just against the MACD, and that is it. Oh, the hidden divergence. Will it stall? Will it pump? Tune in tomorrow to find out at the State of Crypto. That's it. Bat. Again, I do believe we might find indecision right now, particularly with Bitcoin's moves. So that is it, right? Market might not know exactly 100% what it's trying to do. Upside. Yep, you got it, man. You got it, man. Let's go to ADA. ADA. ADA on the daily, right? Pedro Carrancho says, my grandmother's house was 2,500 euros. Now it costs 200,000. Transfer was 40 million. Neymar, 220 million. You know what I mean? That football players cost more than a house? I'm kidding. Going down. All right, so we had bearish divergence. We moved down to 100% high. Again, we did yesterday. Still moving sideways. Still flagging. It's not really looking super bad for ADA. This is a move. Might this be the move? All right, look, support, 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 support. Right, we're finding support on this trend. If we break it, because it's to go on the bear trend short term. And the bear trend means that we might move down. So I'm not sure if you want to be on the bear trend. I don't. I don't like the bear trend. It is not fun to be there. Again, higher, and then negative, more negative. That's it. Some hidden bullish. Might try to hold there at support and see if we move up with it. Hey, on the 4 hour. Jeez, this is from the 1 hour chart. It's here. No, why is it here? It says 4 hour. I probably forgot to anchor it properly yesterday. It was from the 1 hour. There you go. Anyways. I had a low hidden bullish. We did pump, hit that 20, rejected. Low, lower, negative, less negative. Right, we're making some bullish divergence here in the short term, right? Low. Again, it's just more or less sideways motion. I mean, we do have some stuff for it, like divergences, but they're not playing with strength. Again, that indecision in the market, right? That part of indecision as to what's going to happen now. Oh, Bitcoin moved. Oh no, it's dropping a little bit. What are we going to do? Are we going to pump or are we going to drop? Like, no one knows if they should just, like, bail or drop in. Drops to the floor, right? That's it. They don't know where to want to go, man. Strong bullish, starting to go up. We'll see, man. We're not even sure if this is going to play out, man. Might drop a little bit more. We might still have that bullish divergence. It's not really clear with ADA right now where the play is going to go. Bearish divergence, section to downside. Low, high, negative, more negative, hidden bullish on the 1 hour chart again. Possibly for stagnation, maybe even try to get action to the upside. Here, right? And that's it. That is it right now. We have this hidden bullish divergence. Might be looking for some stagnation action to the upside on the 1 hour as well. We'll see, man. We'll see. ADA, not a lot to look at right now. Has that hidden bullish. Let's see if we can materialize into a rally or support of some sort. I know, Pedro. I wasn't looking at the chat. I just saw that Neymar comment and the house comment, and I said, okay, so football players are worth more. Let's go to SC. SC to the USD, man. High, slightly higher, high to low, high to low. There's some bearish divergence there. Do we have it here? By the way, guys, if you like what we do, hit like the bell and sub. Join us on Discord. Links in the description. No, it's not in the description. It's pinned at the top. I lied. Sorry. Keep forgetting that it's pinned up there. It is going slightly higher. I do believe we could even say sideways motion here. It was slightly higher, very slightly. And we are coming down here, right? So high to low and high to low. So we have some bearish divergence strong for SC. That's some potential correction to the downside. Did I anchor this? Nope. Jeez. Gotta keep on remembering to anchor every time. There we go. There we go. And here we go, man. Great. Low, lower, low, high, negative, more negative, some bullish divergence. Again, a lot of projects does the same move. The same move all over the place. Wow. Right here, from here to here, and from here to, we don't have it here. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Low, lower, negative, less negative, low, high. All right. So, go there. I mean, here I'll go from here to here, and then from here to here. It's all the same. It's divergence. It's bullish, strong bullish. Potential for action to the upside. We're rallying on that. Great. First one we got, get us to 20, rejected. This is just a 4 hour stuff. Gee, I forgot to anchor again. because I forget to anchor again. There we go. Anyways, are we doing something here? High, higher, positive, or positive. High, higher, positive, or positive. Nothing bearish. Let's go on the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, we have some strong bearish divergence. We're actually downside on SC. I'll actually throw fibs in a second to get also some bearings here for this project. Low, lower, negative, or negative, low, lower, still neutral at 46.92. Oh, high, negative, less, negative, low, high, nothing bullish. Again, just this bearish divergence here. Let's go to the daily. Let's get some fibs. I don't think we have any fibs. We did make a valid retrace, so we'll go low to high. Consider this to be the local low here. This to be our high. Close enough to hit. Got to that 382 and bouncing to that 236, rejecting the 20, so that's okay right now. Not a lot with SC again, you know. On the 1 hour, we'll go there just to see where we're at. We have the bearish divergence breaking below at 20, so target to the downside right now would be that 382 around 0.94 cents. Right now, sitting at 1 cent, 1.04 cents. We might have some support around this zone. Seems like we hit and bounce quite a bit around this area, so we'll see, right? We'll see if we find some support around here. Area being around 10.3 or yeah, 1.03. Stymie, what's up? Thanks for being here, man. So XLM. The X, the L, and the M. Ooh, 158 people watching, only 81 likes. If you like what we do, hit the like button on the sub, guys. Join us on Discord. The upside, right? Hitting that 20, rejecting, had a low, neutral at 49.36. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Stellar, not a lot, right? Just tightening on the wrench. Look at the Bollinger Bands are getting very tight. Coming up high, coming on low, nothing here, bullish or bearish. 1 hour, same low, low, high, negative, more negative, low, high, low, high, negative, less, negative, low, high, positive, more positive. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish, man. It's just tightening in a range. It's just, look at the Bollinger Bands. They're contracting. It like it doesn't know where it wants to go, right? It really doesn't know where it wants to go. That is it. Well, I have some XLM, but you know, it's fine. Not really looking to get out of it right now or anything. Let's go back to Bitcoin. A lot of questions about Bitcoin. Someone says, dump to me. Yes, dump to me, little ones. Ha 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 ha. Try and check something here real quick. That's not it. It's here that I need to look at, so. I'm looking for something real quick, guys. 30K you'll be spot ordering all day. Awesome. Yeah, it'll break out if Bitcoin goes bullish. It'll also break down if Bitcoin goes bearish, right? So the corn trying to hold on to 49,681. Should you buy 1,000 XLM? Not sure. Yeah. It's bearish. It's not bearish. People thinking profit is good for crypto. Yeah. It is, right? Institutions are still buying it, so I'm not sure why everyone's so worried about it so far. Let's look at the parabolic advance. We haven't looked at it in a while. Where are we at with regards to the parabolic advance? Parabolic advance, right? Hi, that. Let's go on log skill. Rahul, thank you for being here, man. Much appreciate it. Ooh, 88 likes still. Thank you for being here. Again, we're still forward on the parabolic advance, right? We're still looking good. One, two, three. We're still far from that curve, so if you're worried about it, look at the weekly, right? Look at the weekly and look at how good it looks. We're recovering quite a good amount of that candle, right? Let's go. I'll measure it from low to high to see how much that candle was. It's 27%. Right now we are at 10% or so. At some point in time we're at around 17%. So we're recovering. We're gaining. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. I tried to meet the mic. I wasn't able to hit it immediately. Sorry about that. What do you think about the W formation in Ethereum? I'm not sure. What time scale? Ethereum. Not seeing that W, man. I mean, there's potential head and shoulders here. No W. No W. That's it, dude. Andrew, thank you for being here, man.
What's up?
Is ADA forming a cup and handle in 1 month? I'm not sure. Let's see. $1.19 on the 1 month. On the month. Nope. Don't look like a cup and handle, man. Looks like we double bottom, sorta. And then we pumped on that. At least on this chart, that's what it looks like. It's a big drop from one bottom to the other one, but it looks like a big W forming there. Siri? All right. Let's do that. Let's do Siri. Let's get on with it, Siri. $5.99. Let's do the news first. On the 25th, it says SiriusXM Canada announces new multi-year agreement with GM Canada. Interesting. Low, high, native, less native, low, high, nothing here. Let's go on the weekly. Nothing bearish. Sorry, nothing bullish. Do we have something bearish here? It's very slight, but High to low, very slight though. Again, sideways motion. Yeah, I'm not gonna give it to it. It's too tight for it to look at it like that. Neutral. I'm not seeing a lot here, man. Let's get some fibs out for this one, man. Oh, right on. So we'll fib the short term here. Figure out where we're at. From the high to the low. We're hitting that 50%. We're trying to hold on support there, right? So we did do our retrace even to that 786, not once, twice. We're rejecting higher areas. We did wick higher ones and we dropped. Why is this bringing out different fibs? I hate it when it does this. Don't care about this one. I 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 care about this one, and this one. There we go. Round. So we're made of retrace. That's all good. We're at whatever it was in 2006. All right. So let's look at the monthly, I guess. 2000 and six. All of 2006 is around this range. So we'll zoom in here a little bit more. I'm not sure when you got in, but January 2006 would have been this high here. It goes all the way to this low here. That is a move, 2006. Down sloping the whole year. You get an acid drop to get an ace bounce. So if you get in 2006, you're more or less around the same price. Probably doing good on it. Yeah. So, this is the markets real quick. Let's do markets. Markets. Where out of my markets? All right, so silver on daily. Right on. Last thing we had for silver was this divergence. That is fine. Low, high, negative, less negative. Or you're not gonna give you anything. Some hidden bullish here, I guess we could call it, right? So from here to here, it's gonna be very tight though, right? It's gonna be a tight fit here for this divergence, but I don't know. There is some hidden divergence fraction to the downside, so. Sorry, not hidden bullish fraction to the upside. What am I talking about, dude? Let's go to gold. 7 more likes and we're there. Lower still. Look for some divergence here, which we obviously didn't get. And then here, I'm not sure if we still have this one. Yep, we still have it. All right, negative, last negative as we're coming down. So we're doing some strong bullish. We're trying to bounce right now. We're hitting actually at support. The previous high closing of gold here at 1,704 that I had for this fibs. That's fine. It's really far away from its all-time high now, 2,075. So let's keep rolling in gold. Let's go look at markets. Dow Jones down 39 points. Yeah, we had the bearish divergence. Yeah, that's fine. Would that have tracked? I doubt this would have tracked. Yeah, we lost that one. I mean, from the high to the new high, we might also not even have it. So we had the bullish divergence. We pumped on that. We're getting some pullback. It's now live down 0.50%, 158 points. S&P down 1.31%. Again, we had the bearish divergence. Moving down on that. That's fine. Low, high, native. sideways and then here. All right, so let's go to the FTSE. Let's look at the FTSE down 0.67 points, high, low, high, low, high, low. Low, high, negative, low, high. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish. Nikkei up 0.51%. Bearish divergence, going down on that. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. Nothing bullish. Let's go to the Toronto Stock Exchange. Went down, low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. Nothing bullish right now. The bearish divergence there, strong, moving it down. That's fine. Let's bring it into 20 moving average. Haven't looked at it. We're above it right now. Finding support. Awesome. Texas oil. 61.79. Again, I had the bearish divergence here. We moved down. That's it. Great. We're doing some divergence, maybe. Ooh, a little bit more negative momentum. And we're slightly higher, so we have created some hit bullish fraction to the upside potentially. And we also have it against the RSI. So hidden bullish. That's it. Brent oil real quick. Same move from here to here. And from here to here. Right, it's the same, all moving the same way. From here to here. And from here to here, slightly lower also. That's it for these things. Let's go back to Bitcoin. 49,539. It's trying to hold. It's trying to hold. They're slightly below. Jesus. It's going red still. So we're breaking this area. We're back, guys. Gonna get more water real quick. I'm back. Thank you all for waiting for me on that small intermission. Water's good. We made 200 likes. Yo. Hype. Pedro says AVAX. Yeah, why not, dude? Let's go do AVAX. Wow, the bond events are really screwing this one for some reason. Oh, it's volume. It's the bond event. Weird how the bond events really affected this chart. Weird, very weird how they were making it look. Probably because of the insane pumps, but again, had a low, we're retracing it to that 618. That is fine. We're trying to bounce, hitting that 50% rejecting 1, 2, 3 times already. Okay, so hit bullish, neutral at 47. We're flagging, we're going down, but we don't have anything with strength to pump, right? We have the hidden bullish, not really getting a lot of strength here for the pump. Let's go to the 4 hour. I think we're going to see some consolidation happening here. I'm not sure we're going to get anything clear, unclear reads as to where the market might go. OBG Kobe, thank you for being here, man. David, thank you for being here as well. Again, bearishness, right? Hidden. Action downside, potential sideways motion. Not doing a lot. We don't have anything else that is bullish. We had strong bullish. We pumped on that. That is it. We're still in that channel. Neutral, 48.65. Tightening on the Bollinger Bands, right? Let's go to the 1 hour. Hidden bullish pumping. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. Ooh, no, low, lower. Some hidden bullish here against this low again, and in the RSI, right? With the RSI, that's where we have it. So let's do this one from here to here, right? Interesting. That's the only thing it has right now. Right, this hidden bullish. You might try to pump on that, maybe head for that 20. Really not a lot happening with it. Since we looked at it yesterday, like, I think, what was it? Yesterday, 3rd. Let's see. Like, we were here yesterday on this candle. 9 p.m. That's when we started stream. Then we probably did it around these candles. But, you know, we're more or less where we started stream yesterday. So we're not really seeing a lot of movement, right? It's just sideways motion. Money for the people saying buy the dip, one of us. This drop in Bitcoin is starting to create some hidden divergence, by the way, guys. We didn't have it earlier. We have it right now. Low, lower, negative, less negative, right? So with that, we could start to get some stalling, maybe try to reverse a little bit. Right now, we're too far from that 49,000. We could be looking for a retest of 48,218. It'll put us back to where we were before I actually started a rally, and we're back on this channel, right? This channel here. The mighty channel of sideways motion. This channel here. And we did try to rally. We're failing. We didn't get to 55k so far. We could get another go at it, right? It's not done. It's just... We'll see, right? Four hour. And we had this move, right? We're breaking that resistance. We're breaking that support, right? Becoming resistance now. And we might have actually wicked it. And then reject it, yeah. Also been a lot more, and yeah, we worked it, we're rejecting it. It's fine. Is F2 pool dropping again on the market, dumping on the market? BT's tired, needs a break. Yeah, I agree. Bitcoin could be tired, it could be in need of a break. It's real. Jesus, dude. Hi. Awesome. Yo, Gavin, thank you very much for the kind donation, good sir.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. There it is.
Thank you very much.
Gavin with the save of Dunkenness for donation. Remember, next month of March, we all know why historically happens in crypto in March, right? Yo. You mean... Mongolian miners getting shut down. Selling one that can. Kraken had 7.5k inflow. If the pool has multiple mining spots and 2 China spots being shut down, they dumping. We'll see, man. We'll see, right? And that's probably the reason that they're dumping. It just means that it's weird how countries do this, right? Like if this is the case with F2 pool and they have to go drop their Bitcoin because the government's cracking down on them, it's just awkward, right? It's how or why are they going to keep on going with that? And why they want to get rid of the Bitcoin as a government, right? Their country owns those mining places that produce a lot of the Bitcoin out there. They're controlling a lot of the hash rate. Why would they be going against it, right? I know it threatens them a lot, right? But we'll see, man. Is this what the cool kids are tonight? Yo, Jazz in the house. They've been here.
What's up?
What's up? Too much energy being used. Well, yeah. But David, they do mine it in a place where they have a lot of hydroelectrical power, right? In some of the areas. And you could make it sustainable. If you make it to where, okay, you're gonna mine Bitcoin, that's fine. You can do it legally, just set up a whole bunch of solar panels, right? If they do that, then it shouldn't be a problem, right? Just governments need to figure out a way to do it instead of just saying no.
Ja hi
What's up?
P. Fire. Fire. Ja 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 ja.
Jesus. Ja hi P. What's up, Ja hi P? Legendary, man.
Thank you very much.
Ja, are you gonna pee high? Is that it? Is that gonna be it? Ja high pee. Okay, so I guess he pees high. Gets up in the trees to pee. It takes way more than a bunch of solar panels, dude. You can make it sustainable, Search Capital. You can make it sustainable. They're gonna make it in Texas sustainable, right? There's a lot of power sources. There's hydro, there's wind, there's solar, right? You can complement it with other stuff. Yo.
Ja hi P. Party popper. Party popper. Party popper. Party popper.
Jesus, man.
Party popper. Party popper. Party popper. Party popper.
Party popper, man. It also
Yes,
sounds
say it with me.
legendary, man.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Yo, at least it's saying party popper and not party pooper, man. This is so crazy, dude. Party popper. Pate. Pate papa. Pow pow pow. Yo, for reals. Awesome day, guys. Awesome day to be here. Looking at crypto moving down a little bit. The Bitcoin moving down. I'm not even sure what that is. Yeah, it's very awkward. What alerts on Twitter? Lots of money flowing into Binance right now. Tech is all about the money, not concerned for the environment. But they're gonna do it with solar panel though. It's gonna be like 100% run on solar panel. So, someone said Twitter alerts. Let's see those Twitter alerts. Let's see them Twitter alerts. First, I need to type it right because I wrote Twitter, and that's not going to get me anywhere. Let's go look at the whale alerts. not finding it. You got it, send it to me. It's easier because I'm not finding it. $175 people watching. Ja with the hype of bringing people in. Thank you all for being here. If you like what we do, hit the like button on the sub. Join us on Discord. Links in the description. Join us in my laboratory where safety #1 priority, right? Let's keep rolling. I'm not sure why I did crazy Russian hacker. What? Oh yeah, that's it. That is it, I guess. That'd be it. Get something here. Well, alerts. Here we go. That's why I wasn't finding it, I guess. I'm sure I'm following this account. I'm not sure why it wasn't popping up when I was looking for it. Yeah, it says I'm following it, so. Here it is. I'm not sure why it's just not bringing it up, so. 50 million USDT transfer from FTX to Binance. Nice. Something might be getting bought, right? Something might be getting bought. What's
Martine hype, party popper, Martine, party face, Martine, fire, Martine, fire engine.
Jesus, dude, what the hell? All right, there we go.
Say it with me.
Legendary, man. Thank you very much for that. I appreciate it. Awesome, Gavin. Thank you very much for the support, man. Party popper. Then the next one was something. Party face. Yo. Parting face, man. That's great. You liked it twice. Interesting. You should like it a third time so you like it again. 15,000 algo and holding. Good, I guess. No support. No support where? Yeah, Bitcoin has no support right now. Anyways, yeah, money's being moved. Money is being moved. Great. Yo, Bitcoin, try to go for the 20. Will it make it? Will it make the 20 on the 4 hour? Still moving down, right? Gavin hype. Yeah, I know. Gavin's into his hills.
Martin LLLL Martin LLLL Martin LLLL
Jesus, man. What? Jesus, man. What the hell, man? It was Gavin Crown. Jesus. Come on. There it is.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. There it is. Awesome. Thank you very much for that. There it is. One up. Look at something here, man. Throat's starting to like go funny. Not like hurting. I'm gonna take one of these. Collab. See how my throat does with it. So. Bag rustling sounds for all of you that like them ASMR sounds, right? Here we go. That's precisely what I wanted to do. 35 light on holding. Hello, mate. Where do you see BitT going now? Oh, dude, that's a good question. It's breaking below 49,000. Should be getting for 48,218. We rejected the 20 on the 4 hour. Oh, sorry, on the 1 hour. Oh, actually, this one tastes nice. And on the 4 hour, we are hitting, we're breaking below a support line, right? So this support we had drawn, I think yesterday, if not today in the morning. So we're drawing this support. We knew it was a possibility for it to go down. We broke phase resistance right there again, right at the blue line, and now we're rejecting. So we're breaking that upsloping trend right now. So we could be going a short-term bear trend again.
15K algo and holding is not good. Jagus, it's great.
All right, I guess it is great.
Say it with me.
Legendary, man. There it is.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, man. I appreciate it. It is great. There it is. I've said it. It's great. Holding 15,000 in algo is great. China Rex everything. Gonna have to squeeze them. You gonna have to get any Chinese food again? I don't think it's gonna squeeze them, dude. No bias. We'll see, man. Oh, 4 hour hitting that 20. Ooh. Where's the 20 at right now? 48,000. 40,185. That's where it's at. So again, no, there's no new requests that have come in, right? So you're ready for this. Do, 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 dum, dum, do, do. Yeah. Whatever that song is. What's going to happen? I don't know. Something's going to happen, apparently. Matilda might be coming in. I'm not sure. We might get a Matilda reveal. Let's see. Ooh, that is strong. It's a good candy, but damn, that was strong. Can I dress up like a loaf of bread? I doubt it. I don't think I have anything to dress up like a loaf of bread. I don't think I have anything to make a loaf of bread by. Custom, dude. Sorry about that.
Matilda, Jaws socks already stink. Last night, I told Gavin to stop being so hard on us, and now his socks all stink too. What have I done?
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. What have you done?
Thank you very much.
Right? Wasn't letting you use PayPal. Oh, that sucks. I'm not sure. I remember I told you guys I had that problem with PayPal. You know, we got that awesome donation from Gavin, and PayPal ate it up. They're freaking thieves. Yeah, thieves, right? They said this. I paid them. They said no to my card. Then I paid them with another card. They say no, and then they did withdraw the funds from my bank. So, and they haven't acknowledged them. So it's just freaking weird how they're operating. I already sent them a message saying, "Yo, you withdrew the money from my account. Why are you not applying it to the balance that you're supposed to be applying it for?" Yeah, I don't think it's the case though, because Gavin's amount did come through. They just deducted it from that negative balance. It was 710, now it's 701. So they're just gonna take whatever donation comes through to, you know, take it out of there. Because for some reason, you know, that already explained the issue, right? I didn't go into detail, but Tom's having issues too. You screw up his account. Oh, mine's not screwed up like bad, right? I can still receive donations. That one came through fine, but it's I'm not sure how they're handling this negative balance stuff. I already contacted them on Twitter and said, "Yo, what's up, dude? Jesus, are you reals? Are you for reals? Like, you know, you took the money out of my account, so what are you gonna do to resolve this?" Like, this was from today, and me and PayPal support, right? I was like, "Yo, the bank has been asking me if I realize this, but this says PayPal 3. They took out the 700. This is pesos, by the way, not dollars, but they did take that $700 worth, and they already took it out of my account at 5 p.m. and they haven't recognized it to pay that, and they said no, it wasn't recognized. It's just freaking weird, man. Lol, they will release your funds. I know. It's just they're floating somewhere in the middle of nowhere. So Matilda takes money out of my account. Soka, I guess the Discord. That's what's inviting you. He's inviting you to a sexy time. He wants a sexy time in the Discord. Oh, look at that. Bitcoin bouncing at the 20. Jeez, that's good. High five, sexy time. Let's keep rolling, man. We run through everything. No one's requested anything, dude. I'm just looking at Bitcoin. It's been a short stream so far. It's just 11. Joss says, I excite. Ooh, Ja exciting the people. It's a little bit more complex, right? The person who gave the donation had their accounts hacked also, or they used their money for something else, so they flagged everything on that day. Just mine happened to get bummed right there with that. So Chainlink, EOS, sure, we can do EOS and Chainlink. Yeah, Algo already did Algo. We'll go on a recap. Recap Algo. So, there's EOS and Link.
If you ever meet a Gavin in real life, give him a high five. By the way, check it out real quick. What a day.
All right, thank you very much. SBCA, legendary, dude. If I meet,
Thank you very much.
thank you very much. If I meet Gavin in real life, I'll not only give him a high five, I'll give him a hug and a high five. Oh, you want me to check out ADA? Sure, man. We can do ADA. So I was gonna do EOS first. So let me start EOS and then I'll jump onto ADA, right? What's gonna be a recap? What's up? Yo, I already looked at Ethereum. I'm gonna look at it again in a second. Let's go to EOS. EOS at 378. Where we at, man? Where are we at with the EOS? The EOSness of awesomeness. All right. High to low, high to low, high to low. Hidden bullish. I'm to the upside. Did we look at EOS today? No, we haven't. It just has that going on the daily. What everyone else did. That hidden bullish average. Getting above the 50. Got to at 382. Very close to it. Rejection. Right now, moving down a little bit because Bitcoin's sad. What do we have here? Yep. So, high to low. Sad enough. We have some hidden bearish divergence for potential action to downside. Moving down on that, right? That's it. Nothing bullish. It's just moving down slightly. And we're still on that channel. Still between that 382 and that 50% retrace. Let's go on the 1 hour chart. High to low, right? So, all right.
You're only YouTuber when I'm on night shift. WRK, thanks.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
Say it with me.
Legendary, man. That is awesome.
Thank you very much.
I guess I'm the only YouTuber. That's on for the night shift, people. Yo, the night shift people rule. I am king of the night shift. Something like that. Negative, more negative. we do have this hidden bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. And we are moving up on that slightly. Neutral at 44.12. Let's see for ADA again. Sorry, yes, potential action to the upside might hit that 20. At 20 sitting at 3.87. We'll see if we reject once we get there, but that is the move right now. Let's go do ADA recap with the kind donation. Engine. I think we already did engine. Might be a recap. Maybe we didn't do engine. I just thought we did. Engine, there we go. The king in the night. The king in the night shift. Something like that. Game of Thrones. Let's get Ada. Ada, what's up, Ada? What you doing? Anyways, Ada. Let's go to daily. Analysis has shifted a little bit. We were looking for the hidden bullish. We still have it here. Trying to hold support at the previous 100% high, I guess. Let's get rid of the 20. It's starting to look weird on some charts. Here we go. Very close to that previous 100% high. Oh, that's fine. Let's go to the 4 hour. Before ADA, we had this hidden bullish divergence for action to upside. We still have it. So a possibility for action to upside is still there. Let's see if we can manifest it and get it to pump more. All right, that's. We can see at least some action to upside. Maybe hit that 20. I think the 20 here should be okay. Yeah. The current has a 20 at $1.23. Right now, it's sitting at $1.19. So it's not too far off. On the 4 hour chart, did have this move here. I think we still have it. Let me check. Where do we close here? Closed 118.86. Closed 118.72. Slightly lower. We no longer have it. Looking for that hidden divergence that we no longer have because it dropped a little bit lower. So that's it. No longer hidden bullish. We're trying to recover a little bit. That's going to be it for ADA. You ate a bar I ate a bowl of cereal earlier. It's awesome, dude. So that's ADA again, and a quick recap, man. It's gonna perform basically, more or less. It's still determining what it wants to do. Like it's on the side. It's undecided. Let's go to link. The linkness. Here's the link. Yo, Jeffrey, yeah, engine right after link. Thank you for asking, yo. Toy Wolf, what's up? Thank you for being here, man. Engine. Need to add that one. We didn't have it. There it goes, right? So again, we have this bullishness pumping up a little bit. That is fine. Let's go to the 4 hour. We don't have anything bearish right now. We hit the 20. We hit the 786. It's doing okay. I'm not really worried about it right now. It's just moving down slightly. Neutral at 52.98. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. The bottom, we might be holding the support if I extend it. Slightly above it still. So double bottom for Link is still in play. Right, this fake break to the downside is not really that strong, I guess. This bearish divergence, we lost it against the RSI. We kept it against the MACD. It still brought that price down, which was a move that we were looking for. It was just a little bit earlier though, right? But if we would have kept on tracking, we would have noticed that it was going to hit. Breaking down below that 786 right now. I'll look at the chat as well. All right. We are neutral. We're neutral at 54.90. I'm not really seeing anything that really excites me about it right now, right? It's okay. It's going for that 20. It bounced there. It's trying to claim it's moving to the upside again. It's on the 4 hour. It's just not a lot happening with it, right? Let's go to the 1 hour chart. And a lot of the market's starting to feel with this stagnation, right? This slow movement of Bitcoin to downside, and everyone's starting like, oh, we're gonna pump, and now, oh, we might want to reverse, I guess, because Bitcoin said Simon says to drop, and everyone's dropping with it. So we're going low though. 210, 196. Yep, still lower, still coming up higher. Bearish divergence still there. Action downside, moving down on that slightly. But again, here in the short term, that was strong bearish divergence there. And then from here to here, we still have strong bearish divergence. That puts action for the price, or put pressure on the price, for action downside, I should say. Had a low swell. Low to high, negative, low, or lower in the RSI. So hidden bullish trying to be built here. And that is okay. Probably why we're starting to get this small candle to go up a little bit. A little bit. Here we go. Do we have it here? 294. 244, slightly less. We don't have it here. Just against the MACD. Sorry, against the RSI, we have this hidden bullish. And it's going to maybe try to get us above that 786, right? That will be the primary target. If we get above that area at 20 moving average at $30.29. At 786, sitting at $29.62. Again, Bitcoin has to play ball. If Bitcoin drops, we might be scratching out this play here on Link. Let's go to Engine. The Engine coin. What the Engine do? Bullish divergence hidden. Action to the upside, heading to 3618. Facing resistance, moving down slightly. Awesome. Thank you very much for the kind donation. It didn't come with a message, but appreciate it.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. That is awesome.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Awesome, thanks. Let's see what we're doing here. We're pulling back down a little bit. Dude, low high, higher still. We're bought at 84.71. Let's get on the 1 hour chart. Let's run the 1 hour chart. Figure out what we're gonna do there, man. What we're gonna be doing there, man. Bought at 72.90, right? That's it. That's it. Nothing here on the 4 hour. Don't have anything. There's nothing bearish. There's nothing bullish. It's just it is it. That is it. Oh, guys, I might have a surprise soonish. Soonish. I might have a surprise. Waiting on some stuff to get to me so I can show you guys. It's not merch. It's something that's gonna be cool for the stream. You guys might enjoy it, actually. You're gonna like it. Once this is done, it's gonna be so cool, man. I like it. I like it. Chainlink is a good coin. Yep, it's a good coin, I guess. 1 hour chart. Had the bearish divergence. We're looking for it here. All right, managed to bump a little bit more. This managed to come slightly to the same level. So we still have that bearish divergence here. We also have it against the RSI, and with that action to the downside. Moving down slightly below that 7. It's Below 236, sorry, the 2618. Jesus, I got lost in the fibs. Pumping up a little bit more. Pumping up a little bit more, right? That's fine. Going higher, more positive, and everything's great. Nothing bearish, actually. Moving down slightly. Low, high, negative, more negative, and even slightly lower on there, so I think. I'm actually going to have to check here. We're creating hidden bullish, by the way. That hidden bullish is helping us hold support above that 20. We haven't actually wicked the 20 as support. We're just holding on above the 20, and we're supporting that price. But sideways motion slightly. Pumping now. Pump it now. Pump it now. Here we go. There it is, man. Wassam Hussein. Where was it announced? Where was what announced? Not sure what you guys talking about. Engine has been listed on Japanese exchange today. Interesting. We'll see if it pumps on that, right? That could be catalyst for action to the outside if it gets listed somewhere. Someone said Algorand earlier, and I said recap. So we're going to do a recap of Algo. Algorand. Algo. Let's go, man. You had the bullish divergence. Hidden. Action to the upside. We're hitting the 20, rejecting. We're hitting the 20 again, rejecting, but trying to hold above that 236, which is good. Neutral at 54.09. Let's go to the 4 hour. 4 hour, we had the bearish divergence. Oh, we did move down on it still. We still have it again. Action downside. We're starting to move down, but again, trying to hold support at that 786. I do hope we hold the support there. Not a lot going on with it, right? If we lose that 786, sorry, that 618, that's where we're trying to find support. 618. If we lose that support, we're looking for a bounce at the 20, likely at the $1.10 mark. If we lose that, then we do have that percent retrace at 98.43 cents, right? So again, right now at $1.16. Ooh, we just dropped slightly. We'll see again. The 20 is still there. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. We're higher, lower, and lower still, right? Bearish divergence, section downside, low, high. Nothing here. Not looking at anything here, man. Just that bearish divergence that we called. And we said, look, action downside. We just kept on moving down on it. That's fine. We'll probably call that in the last hour or this hour still. Or, yeah, previous hour, previous 2 hours. Trying to move up again. We're going to try to get above this 618, but we have resistance at the 20 on the 1 hour. That's going to be interesting to see what happens there. By the way, guys, if you like what we do, hit the like button on the sub. Join us on the Discord. Link is pinned at top. You can also join the Patreon. You can also join it or buy merch on Teespring. And thank you guys for being here. The corn. What is happening with the corn? 49,162. Still holding on to 49K. Great. We did still manage to create this divergence. Hidden bullish. Again. First target, 49,691. We'd above there. Next target at 20. 3,866. We'd above there. 51,250. Those are the targets. If we break and don't move here, target 40,218. If we break down, 46,834. Those are targets to the downside. That's it. Someone said do ETH. So we'll do ETH now. Ethereum. What is the Ethereum doing? What in the ethereal stuff are we doing? Ethereum. Hit bullish, pumping that. Moving that with Bitcoin right now. Neutral 46.70. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. On the 4 hour chart, had the bearish divergence. Action downside. Ooh, we've rejected this area again. Remember, we had this potential head and shoulders. We talked about it. I extended the neckline. We hit it today. It's the same area that we're hitting here, right? 1, 2, third time. We're unable to break that neckline, and we're breaking back and rejecting. We're actually sitting at the 20 on the 4 hour. We're neutral at 50.49. If we break that 20 target at 1,514, we'll see if we get there. But right now, I wish we hold here. We'll break that neckline and then see that action to the upside. We'll get that head and shoulders to play. BT Finance. Maybe. We already did VT, so it might be a recap. Let me find VET here. Have we not done VT? Oh, I thought we had done VT. I could have sworn we did VT. It's just so many days on crypto, man. It all starts to get together into just one massive technical analysis. VT. VChain. We haven't done it. It's gonna go on the list. The VAT coin, right? So, trying to hold on to that 20. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. What do we have? Do we have divergence? Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. No. Neutral at 44.08. That is it. Target to the upside here. If we move up, the 20 moving average at 1,595. Break that. Next target 1,681. Below 1,514, right? That is it, dude. That is it for Ethereum. Let's go to VChain. The VChain doing other stuff. A lot of people into the VChain, right? 5.22. Right, let's get on the daily. Hidden bullish, pumping on that. Right, we got to that 786 on those fibs we did, high to low, right? Quick stuff on the 1 hour, probably. Hitting that 786, holding on there, that's fine, neutral. We're bought at 61.56. Let's go to the 4 hour. Looking for this bearish divergence. It probably, I'm not sure if it triggered or not. I'm actually gonna have to check. Slightly higher, it didn't trigger there. Interesting. So we got rid of this. We got rid of this divergence that we were making there barely, but we didn't get it. I think it actually downside on reissue of that 786 though. Right now at 5.18 cents, 786 at 5.25, and then 618 to the downside at 4.91 cents. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Why is the other stuff not here? Here we go. Looking for this divergence, right? Look, we kept on pumping. It's still lower, so we kept on building this bearish divergence against the RSI. That is fine. We have moved down. I think we're calling it to here, so we're more or less at the same level that we were looking at that divergence. Nothing wrong with that, I guess. So, yep, low, high, negative, slightly less negative. Can we really go with this one? Is it there? Yeah, it is. There's other stuff I want to look at Bitcoin in a second, right? So by the way, after this, I'm going to go back to Bitcoin. So again, we do have this hidden bullish. It is very slight. It's getting us to pump, getting us to go to that 786 again, which is pretty good. If we get above that area, could be looking for 100% retrace and hit 5.6, I guess. 5.68 or whatever's up here. Let me see it. 5.689. Yep, that's the target. Back to the corn. Back to the corn husk. There's other Bitcoin charts that I need to look at. For education and entertainment purpose only. Jeez, let's go on the daily. This is the chart we're looking for. Nope. This is the chart we're looking for. Oh, this chart has so much stuff. It's giving me a headache. I need to start cleaning up some charts. Let's go here. This is the chart we're looking for. Anyways, high to low. We're making a valid retrace, right? We hit on the wick. Very close to that 618. We're still below this resistance. Yesterday we did hit, or today we already hit that 50% retrace and we're rejecting it. So not looking too hot. Again, here we just have the hidden bullish on Bitcoin, right? So again, trying to see where we could retrace to. A deeper retrace will get us to that 786 around 54,870 before we actually start maybe to break down again. We'll see. We'll see. Bitcoin was going bullish right now. I'm not so confident. It's starting to like lose a little bit of that steam that it had picked up over the last couple days, particularly in the first, right? So we're like, Thursday. Let's see if we can, pump it back up, get it back on track. Yo, Elon, tweet it. Send a tweet, man. Pump it. Let's get this to go up. What? Sell the pump. No volley. Yeah. You're all right? We didn't have that much volume here for this pump, but we had a lot more volume here on the small drop, right? Right. There's not a lot of volume. March is historically a bad month for all markets. Interesting. add to your position. That's the best way to do it. That's I think it might be a short stream today. I think I'm gonna be calling it a stream. I mean, short stream. We already had about 2 hours and change into the stream. 2 hours and 22 minutes. I know I'm calling it a short stream. I know it's not a short stream by any means. We'll see. Bull 38 says 38. Price action going low with low volume indicates infinite moon boy power. This financial year starts next month, so everyone. Well, it depends where you live. You can actually have a year that ends from December to December, or from January to December, not necessarily, and in the middle of April or whatever. I doubt it'll go lower than 42k. Yeah, I mean, right now it doesn't look like it has a lot of strength on it. Right, it's just starting to pull back down a little bit. It could be cocking back before it actually pumps back up again, right? Like here, pumped up, retrace for a day, pump up. We're like bullish engulfing still, right? Bullish engulfing the previous candle, not even piercing. Bullish engulfing the previous candle. This is more or less. It's not even piercing yet, but it is more than half the candle. But we could do bullish engulfing again, right? And keep on with that bullish sentiment of potential action to the upside. You have many buys there? Yeah. 49 to support, you mean, right? Not resistance, support. We're trying to hold support right now. Remember, resistance is when you go up, right? You're trying to get above a level. You're hitting resistance. When you're below, right, and you're going down, you're hitting support. So, you know, resistance, support, right? Just, so right now, the 382 would be a resistance on the way back up, but a support would be at the 236. Just remember that. Sometimes you guys call resistance at a lower price level. I'm like, oh, Jesus, don't look like right. And I'm looking for resistance. I'm like, oh, no, wait, he meant support probably. Well, same. Thank you very much for being here, man. Much appreciated. I think that's gonna be it, dude. It's gonna be a short stream. It's gonna be a short stream right now. Resistance is futile. Interesting. I'll be here again tomorrow, guys. The market's really a little bit undecided right now. It's moving down a bit, not too much, 2.13%. I said it's weird. Am I in any trades at the moment? Yeah, I have a lot of things open long term though right now. Not any short term trades. Thank you for asking, Stephen. I got into Bitcoin a while back, so I'm still waiting. I have some DBT that's open, have some RSR that is open, I have some Ethereum that is open. I have a lot of things that are open, right? Yeah, I'm gonna call it a stream, guys. Thank you for joining me tonight at the State of Crypto, guys. Again, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on a awesome Wednesday night, middle of the week again. Bitcoin's struggling a bit. We'll see what we have for tomorrow. The stream is slow. There's not a lot of requests coming in. It's not really a like super hyped day. for the market right now. But on that note, thank you guys for joining me. We'll, be here tomorrow again. All the information that we put here is for entertainment and education purpose only. Don't trade based on what you see here. What else? Yeah. Talk about crypto to your friends, your family, to your coworkers, and let them know that we are here. Retweet our tweets. Retweet our tweets. Yeah, follow us on Twitter. Links in the description. Retweet our tweets. Join us on Discord. Links at the top. Hit the like on the way out. Smash the like button for the algorithm. And on that note, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Oh, God, Jesus. I can't even talk now. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of State of Crypto, man. Until then,